Hey, Robbie. Robbie. Did you see Scouter? Go to... You want to play with Scout? Hi, Scout. Bring it closer to him. Good boy. Scout, bring it closer to Robbie so he can throw it for you. Oh, my turn? Thank you. Closer. Good boy. Is that Scout? Yeah, it is. It is. Here he comes. Oh, you're going to get excited. Bring it closer to him, Scout. He's trying to get Robbie to throw it for him. It's right at your feet. There you go, Robbie. Oh, good job, Scout. Good job, Scout. Did you get the drool? Did you get the drool?
Hi.